Okey, sekarang boleh mula. Okey, so hari ni kita akan buat revision untuk add match. Okey, untuk bab 2 lah pembezaan. Okey, kita buat revision. So, okey, sebelum kita mula, kita akan bincang beberapa soalan lah kat sini. Tu untuk bagi kamu lebih faham lah. Okay, so we discuss some question first. Okay, so sebelum tu, siapa ambil BM kat sini? Can you all comment? Who take AdMat in BM? And who take in DLP? Boleh komen tak? Siapa BM? Siapa DLP? Cuba komen. BM, DLP. Okay, sama lagi? Lagi orang? BM, okay. Saya nak tengok majority. Okay, DLP. Sekarang sama. Dua-dua. Okay, 3-2. 3-3. Okay, ada lagi tak? Okay, maksudnya saya campur dua-dua bahasa lah kalau macam ni. Okay, sebab dia seimbang. Okay guys, so we will learn differentiation today, revision lah. Okay, so the first question, you can see lah. Okay, this is the first question. Ini soalan pertama kamu. Alright, so they say that there you have a curve. Okay, kamu ada satu lengkung. Okay, this is the curve lah. Persamaan lengkung dia adalah punca kuasa 2, X tambah 1. Set X plus 1. Okay, that's the first thing. Then they say tangent and normal at this point. Okay, garis tangent dan garis normal pada titik ni dia akan pintas paksi X pada Q dan R. Untuk yang English, you read in English lah. I'm translating it to BM. Okay, so the first question, soalan pertama, mereka suruh cari persamaan tangent dan juga koordinat Q. Alright, so ini adalah soalan pertama kita. Kita nak tahu garis tangent ni. Okay guys, so kalau nak tahu persamaan tangent, kita kena buat apa dulu? First step, what must we do to find tangent? Apa langkah pertama kita? Can you all comment? Cuba comment. Untuk cari tangent. Keyword tangent. So apa kita kena buat? Kita ada persamaan lengkung yang ni. We have the curve. So what do we do to get the tangent? Very good. Okay, cari dy dx. Okay, you must find out your dy dx. Okay guys, so if you want to find out dy dx for this equation untuk persamaan ni, can you all tell me what is your dy dx? Apa nilai dia? Kamu bagi dalam jawapan termudah, the simplest answer for your dy dx. Anyone here don't know how to do dy dx? Can comment or not? Ada siapa-siapa struggle tak untuk bezakan persamaan macam ni before you tell the answer? So anyone? Apa jawapan bila kamu dy dx yang ni? Who can share? Siapa boleh kongsi jawapan dia? Guys, kamu boleh buatkan. What is the answer? dy dx. Bila kamu bezakan yang ni. Bukan x plus 1 sahaja. Yang ni ada punca kuasa tau. Punca kuasa 2. Square root. So when you differentiate square root, yes, that is the correct answer. Alright. So guys, kamu akan dapat jawapan yang tu. Half x plus 1 kuasa negatif setengah. Okay, because kamu boleh tukar dari bentuk set ke bentuk index. Okay, you can convert from index form, from set form to index form. Alright, so kuasa pindah depan, power put in front, power minus 1, kuasa tolak 1, then you will get the answer. Ini jawapan dia. Fraction down, go up. Which one you're talking about? No, we don't cancel the 2. If you want to write in another way, you can write like this. This one also is correct. Don't confuse. Now we are doing differentiation chapter, guys, not integration. Bab pembezaan. Okay, how to know whether it's differentiation or integration? Macam mana nak tahu? Whenever you see the word tangent, guys, tangent. Tangent is always differentiation, pembezaan. Tak boleh pengamilan. It will never be integration. Alright? Tangent and normal. These two words, right? Selalunya dalam bab pembezaan. Nothing else. Alright? So yeah. So basically kamu dah dapat dy dx kamu. So sekarang mereka tanya persamaan tangent. So guys, to have an equation of tangent, what must we have? What should we have to form an equation untuk membentuk persamaan? What are the two information we must have? Very good. Coordinates is one. Second one, satu lagi info. Very good. You must have the gradient, kecerunan tangent. So how to get the gradient of tangent, guys? You have this point. Am I right? So guys, what is the x value at this point? Apa nilai x pada coordinate P? Can you all tell me? If you refer to the coordinate, you should get x equal to 0. Yes, very good. So x equals 0, you will substitute. Kamu akan gantikan kat sini. You will substitute in your dy dx expression so that you can find the exact value of the gradient. Okay, kamu boleh dapat nilai sebenar dy dx. Alright? So now you have the gradient. Kamu ada kecerunan. Second thing, you must have a point. Kamu kena ada satu titik. So what is the point here, guys? Can you tell me? What is the coordinate we are using to form this equation? Untuk membentuk persamaan ni, kita guna coordinate mana? We will use coordinate P. Am I right? Yes, correct. So what is the equation to form tangent? What is the general equation? Persamaan arm. Very good. You can use y equals mx plus secant, or ataupun kamu boleh guna yang ni, mx minus mx1. You can use this equation also to form the tangent equation. Alright? Intercept form can. Yes, intercept form can, but if you refer over here, right? I ask you one question. Do you have your x-intercept in this question? If you say you want to form the intercept form, so that's why intercept form cannot. Intercept form, bentuk pintasan is like this, guys. If you've seen this equation before, okay, so you must have your y-intercept and also x-intercept to form the equation. Kamu kena ada pintasan x dan juga pintasan y. Okay, baru kamu boleh bentuk persamaan. Tapi kat sini, soalan suruh cari coordinate Q. Question asks you to get the coordinate of Q. So we don't have the x-intercept currently. Alright? So can you understand? So you got two choice. Y equals mx plus c, or y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. Alright? So now you can form the tangent already. So tangent, you will have something like this. Okay, so this is your tangent. Okay, as what I saw, your dy dx is half, and then you substitute the coordinate, gantikan coordinate, kosong, satu. Then you will get your answer. This is the final answer. Okay, can you guys get it? Understand how to form your equation? Can? Okay, good. So now, this is the first part. So now they ask you to find the coordinate of Q. So how do I find the coordinate of Q, guys? Macam mana saya boleh cari coordinate Q untuk garis ni? What is the assumption I should make? Apa anggapan saya? Very good. What y value? Bukan serenjang. Sekarang kita nak tahu coordinate Q. We have the equation of tangent already. 2y equal to 2 plus x. Ini adalah persamaan tangent kita. So now how do I get the coordinate Q? No. You have to substitute a value, guys. kamu kena gantikan satu nilai. What do we call? No. What do we call this point? Very good. Y equals 0. Not x equals 0. X equals 0 is for y-intercept. X sama dengan kosong tu untuk pintasan y. Y sama dengan kosong adalah untuk pintasan x. Dia terbalik. Okay, it's opposite. Kamu nak cari nilai x, kamu ganti y sama dengan kosong. Lepas tu terbalik. Alright? It means x equal to -2. Yes, you will get the answer. X is -2, correct? After you substitute. So means that coordinate Q is this one, -2, 0. You will get the answer. Okay, guys. So this is your part A working. So good. So this is your answer. All right. So next one, you want to find the equation of normal, persamaan normal. Okay. So how to find equation of normal? Can you all tell me? You have your dy dx equal to half. Very good. So you will use m1, m2 sama dengan -1. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to normal. Dia berserenjang antara satu sama lain. So that means, what is your gradient of normal, guys? Can you tell me? Apa kecerunan normal? Very good. Okay, opposite. Songsangkan nilai ni. You will get -2. Okay, so m2 equal to -2. So now, you want to form the equation of normal. Kamu nak bentuk persamaan normal. So what point I will use? Titik mana saya akan guna? Very good. As long as there is a point, dia ada satu titik atas garis ni, kamu boleh guna titik tu. As long you see a point on that line, you can direct use it. So you can use this coordinate, P01. Okay, so that means you can form your equation of normal already. So ini adalah persamaan normal kamu. This one. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the second part, they ask you to find coordinate R. Cari coordinate R. So guys, what is your R here? What do we call coordinate R? Apa nama untuk coordinate ni? Very good. Pintasan X, X-intercept, correct? So means that, what is the assumption? Apa anggapan kita? Very good. Y equal to 0, correct? So means that, this equation, you substitute y equals 0. Cari nilai x. You will get setengah. Okay, half. So this will be your answer. You will get half 0 as your final answer for R. Okay, guys. Until here, are you clear? Sampai sini jelas tak untuk A and B? So this is the basic steps how to form tangent normal. You must always remember, guys, tangent and normal, tangent atau normal adalah selalunya garis lurus. It's always a straight line. You must remember this. No matter what is the question, tak kira apa-apa soalan pun, dia semestinya garis lurus. So garis lurus means that you direct, kamu fikir tentang y equals to mx plus c. Nothing else. Tak ada apa-apa lain. Alright? So this is the concept. So next one, part C. Okay, part C sedikit berbeza, a bit different. They ask you the area of triangle. Mereka nak cari luas segitiga PQR. Okay, guys. So how should I do this? What method must I use? Kamu pernah belajar yang ni, tapi bukan dalam bab ni. Not in this chapter. Very good. Formula geometry. Yes, chapter 7, correct. Okay, so you have coordinate R, setengah kosong, and then you have coordinate Q, -2 kosong. Yes, yang modulus tu. So kamu modulus lah semua nilai ni. So the rumus will be, tak nak, saya padam. If anyone forget this already, you must revision your chapter 7 lah. Kamu kena ulang kaji balik bab 7. Sebab tak ada apa-apa kaitan dengan bab ni. Pakcik tu may open camera ke tak perasan? Siapa? Saya tak nampak pun. Sebab saya buka dua screen. So saya tak boleh tengok siapa buka kamera ke tak buka. Okay. So guys, kalau rumus saya macam ni, in my formula is like this. Is it correct? Adakah ini betul guys? Untuk kira luas? Okay. What is wrong? Apa silap? Very good. You must repeat your initial value always guys. Remember this. Common mistake, you must repeat. Okay, because area kamu kena mula dan datang balik pada titik sama. You must come back to your initial point. So that's why initial point kamu ulang 2 kali. Okay, so total you should have 4 coordinate. So very simple. Let's say satu bentuk I have 5 coordinate. So means that dalam rumus ni berapa coordinate kena ada? Wah, before I ask the question itself, you tell me the answer already. Correct? 6. Okay, so now let's say you got 1 coordinate. So inside the modulus, how many coordinate I must have? Kalau saya ada satu coordinate saja. Okay, theoretically correct lah. But guys, cuba bayangkan lah. Satu coordinate. Do you think I will have area? Yes, correct. Satu coordinate, tak ada apa-apa. Okay, I simply trick you all. Okay, guys, to form an area, you must have at least sekurang-kurangnya 3 coordinate. 3. Because the basic shape we have is a triangle. 3 side. 3 sisi. 2 coordinate, kamu hanya bentuk satu garis sahaja. Straight line, don't have area. Tak ada luas. Sebab dia garis sahaja. Okay, so yeah, your minimum will be 3, maximum sampai mana-mana pun boleh lah. Okay, so yeah, so your answer for C is like this. So guys, kamu semua tahu kan macam mana selesaikan yang ni? Do you all know how to solve this? Shouldn't have problem, right? Kamu belajar dalam form 4 dah. Okay, you use the cross method. Kamu kali macam ni. Lepas tu tolak semua yang ni. Okay. So if I find the distance first, can, no problem. Okay, but let me see ah. Tak, saya lihat soalan. Boleh ke tak kita guna yang ni? Okay, can. Because soalan ni, segitiga dia adalah segitiga sudut tegak. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Yes. So bolehlah setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Half base times height also can. Tapi jalan kira lebih panjang lah. Okay, sedikit panjang. Kamu kena cari jarak ni, kena cari jarak ni, lepas tu kali 2. Lepas tu kali bahagi 2. So lebih panjang sikit. Okay, so tapi diterima. Okay guys, are you clear? For question 1, this is satu soalan lengkap untuk bab pembezaan. Okay, so second one. Okay, so this one a bit more complex, sedikit complex only. So let's say they got a curve. Okay, ada satu lengkung macam ni. So then they say that tangent and normal pada titik ni at this point. And then they say tangent tu berserenjang dengan garis garis tu. Okay, and then dia pintas paksi X pada titik B. Lepas tu garis normal pintas paksi X pada titik C. Okay guys, kalau kamu baca pernyataan ni sahaja, if you only read the statement, do you find confusing? Adakah kamu keliru? Banyak sangat info kan? A lot of information. Yes. So that's why it's always better to draw out. Okay, kamu kena lukis untuk bayangkan seluruh pernyataan ni. Let's say the question tak bagi kat kamu raja. Kamu kena lukis. Tapi dalam soalan ni raja diberi. So seluruh yang ni ditunjukkan kat sini dah. Dalam satu raja. It's already illustrated for you. Alright? So yeah. You must know how to imagine also. If they never give you the diagram. Okay? So okay, we read the question. So first question, they ask you to find A and B. Cari nilai A dan B. Alright. So A and B adalah titik P. Okay. So guys, what do you think you can do to find your AB. What is the step? Siapa tahu? Bukan. Kat sini kita tak guna persamaan serentak. Okay, which gradient? Okay, correct. So how do we find gradient at point P? Kita akan bezakan yang ni. We will differentiate this equation. So basically you will get 2x minus 4 setelah bezakan. So this is the gradient at point P, yang ni. Alright. So yeah. But now, what is your x value, guys? Apa nilai x? Can you all tell me? Kita boleh gantikan x dengan sesuatu. Yes, because coordinate x bagi titik P adalah A. Okay, you have your x coordinate, so you just substitute. So this is your dy dx at point P. 2a minus 4. We have to find out the a value. Okay, so now, second concept. Mereka bagi persamaan ni kat kamu. They give you this equation. You can arrange it in y equals to mx plus c. Am I right? So if you rearrange, cuba kamu ubah y, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay? So what is your gradient, guys? Apa kecerunan berdasarkan persamaan ni? Very good. So this gradient refer to which line, guys? Dia refer pada yang merah atau hijau? Negatif setengah. Very good. The normal line, which is the green color one. So this is negative half. Logic kan, guys? Kalau condong macam ni, if it slant this way, is negative gradient. If it slant this way, is positive gradient. So maksudnya, guys, apa kecerunan garis ni? Kalau ni 90 darjah. Yes. So jadi kecerunan garis ni adalah 2. Okay, 2. Negative half kali 2, kamu dapat negative 1. So guys, 2 tu sama dengan nilai apa? Is equal to what? Very good. dy dx. So saya boleh bentuk persamaan macam ni. So, kamu boleh dapat nilai A. Do you understand, guys? Boleh faham? Tengok cara saya relate. Dari lengkung, saya bezakan dapat tangent. Saya cari kecerunan normal. Lepas tu cari kecerunan tangent. Samakan kedua-dua info. So, saya dapat persamaan ni. Alright? So, until here, can you guys understand? Boleh dapat? So, kalau dah dapat A, how should I find the B, guys? Macam mana saya boleh cari nilai B dalam soalan ni? Very simple. Very good. Substitute. Kamu boleh gantikan nilai A dalam persamaan kat sini. So you just substitute x equal to 3 because your A value was also 3. Okay, so means that y equal to 3 square minus 4/3 plus 1. So you will get your answer negative 2. So ini adalah nilai B kamu. Nilai Y adalah sama dengan B. Okay guys, can understand for question A? This is how we find A and B value. Boleh dapat? Okay, so next one. Equation of tangent at P. Okay, something like what we did just now. So now, you have the point. The point is 3, negative 2. This is the coordinate. Gradient? Gradient we also have already. We got just now 2. Am I right? dy dx equal to 2. So you can form your equation of tangent. Bentukan persamaan tangent kamu. Okay, so this one is the same step. So you can see over here. Okay, this one. This is your tangent. Y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. Okay, so this is your tangent. So next one, they ask you to find coordinate B. Cari coordinate B. So how to find coordinate B? Basically, coordinate B is your x-intercept, pintasan x. So pintasan x, substitute y equal to 0. Correct. Okay, so that means you will get coordinate B is 4, 0. Okay, So next one, equation of normal, persamaan normal. So persamaan normal, tadi we have the kecerunan, the gradient is negative half. You have the coordinate, so kamu boleh bentukkan persamaan normal juga. Okay, same type of equation. Okay, so then they ask you coordinate C. So coordinate C is what, guys? Pintasan X also, X intercept. So Y equal to 0. So then you will get your answer, C. Alright, so next one, they ask you the area of triangle, luas segitiga BPC. So this one, coordinate geometry method again. Kamu ada coordinate B, P and C also. So you direct, substitute, dan kira guna rumus. So this will be your answer. Okay, until now, are you clear? Any questions so far? No question, ah? Kalau ada soalan, tolong tanya, jangan senyap kat situ. Kalau terlalu pantas ke atau apa-apa. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this one is more on application. Kamu kena buktikan, show. So soalan ni is a bit harder lah. Okay, but not so hard, can still do. So now, let's say you got a box, okay, something like this. Okay, and then they tell you the area is 75. So now, they ask you to show the volume. Tunjukkan isi padu adalah yang ni. So how are we going to show, guys? So first of all, of course, we must start with the area. Kita kena mula dengan info luas. So guys, how do I count the area for this box? You got many surfaces, you know. Kamu ada banyak permukaan. So you must plus everything. Okay, wait. Okay, so basically, you must take note, guys. This one, permukaan ni tak perlu kira. Okay, no need to count the surface because wait, let me see. XH. Yes, no need to count because it's open. Correct. Okay, because dia tak tertutup. So means that over here, right? How many surface area actually you have in total? Secara jumlah, berapa luas permukaan kamu ada? Anyone can tell. Usually for a cuboid, total surface area we have 8. Okay, we have 8. Not 6. See carefully. You have 1. I show, yes, the answer is 5 actually. 1, 2. Okay, at the back here also got 1. Okay, I draw like this lah. 3. And then at the back, 1 more, 4. And don't forget, at the bottom, 5. Can you guys see it? So you must imagine it a bit. Okay, top, we don't have because open. Okay, terbuka. Alright, guys. So means that your area will be what? Can you all tell the expression? Apa ungkapan untuk luas? Anyone want to share? What is your area expression? Cuba sahaja, jangan risau. Don't be scared to share. Don't be scared to share. Anyone don't know how to get the expression? Okay, very good. Correct. Okay, so that is your expression. So guys, the bottom, the surface area is x square. Am I right? Luas dia x kuasa 2. And then for all these 4 sides, keempat sisi ni, your area will be 4xh. Okay, setiap satu adalah xh. Okay, can you all see it, guys? You got 4 area. That's why 4xh plus with x square. This is your area. Luas dia adalah 75 cm kuasa 2. So now, After you get this information, you look at this answer, guys. Tengok jawapan ni betul-betul. Adakah kamu ada sebutan H dalam jawapan kamu? Do you see any H? Yeah, you don't have. So means that what you should do here, guys, you must try to eliminate your H. Kamu kena hapuskan H. Yes. Okay, not in terms of H. It should be in terms of X. Okay, you must express yeah. Okay, I think you confused already. So you will get like this. Ungkapkan H dalam sebutan X. So this will be your answer. Okay, so now for the volume of the box. So can you all tell what is your expression for the volume of the box? Apa rumus for isi padu? Very good. Okay, this is your volume of the box. Okay, x square h. You got x times h. So x square h. So then h I can substitute with this value. Saya boleh gantikan dengan nilai ni. Then you can count your answer already. Alright guys, so this is your final answer. Jawapan akhir. So you shown already proven. So guys, is it tough or not? Proving question. Adakah dia susah? Cuba komen. Do you feel it hard? I don't think so lah. As long you understand the concept, right, it's no problem. Yeah. That's why you must train yourself, right, to try as many proving questions as possible. Because you know why? The same type of concept will be assessed usually. Concept sama akan keluar. It's just that the way the question come out will be different version, but the concept you apply, right, is totally the same. Maybe they change the value, they change the expression or something only. Okay, so that's why in AdMaths, right, concept is very important. Concept 2 will help you a lot. Okay, although the question change like how also doesn't matter. Okay, so next one. Okay, one more tips. Let's say katakan kamu tak boleh buat soalan A. You don't know how to do question A at all. Must you skip question B, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Always remember this. If you don't know how to do A, you can still do B because you have the answer already. Kamu gunakan jawapan ni terus and proceed with question B. Don't lose all the mark. Okay, at least get some mark. Okay, something better than nothing. Am I right? So now you want to find maximum volume. Okay, isi padu maximum. So what is the concept? Very good. Okay, not dy. Careful guys. In this situation is dv. Yeah. Okay, be careful for the symbols. So you will have dv dx equals 0. So means that kamu kena bezakan yang ni lah. So should be no problem. This one. Okay, so when you differentiate, you will get this answer. 75 over 4 minus 3 over 4 x square. Okay, then you solve until you get x. Kamu dapat nilai x dulu. So guys, why x cannot equal to negative 5? Can you tell me? Kenapa yang ni tak boleh? Because you have x square. Correct. Okay, when we talk about length must be positive. Panjang kena positive. So negative you reject. So then, question is, okay, find the x value only. So you actually find a d. So then, you substitute the x value, gantikan nilai x dalam ungkapan V in your V expression. Then you will get your maximum volume. Understand guys? Can you get it? This bottom part, right, is just to show it is maximum. Kamu boleh tunjuk kalau mahu. Okay, so how to show its maximum? D2V over dx2 kena lebih kurang dari kosong. This is the concept. Okay, so let's say I don't want to use this method. What is another method I can use to show maximum or minimum? Can you all tell me? Very good. More specific a bit. Sketching correct. The graph is not. Yes. Tangent sketching. Okay, this is the method, guys. Must remember this method. Kaedah lakaran tangent. They like to ask. Okay, so let's say you don't want to use this. You got second option also. When is this useful? Bila yang ni sangat penting. Kaedah lakaran tangent. When your dy dx, the expression is very complex. Okay, bila kamu tengok kan dy dx kamu sangat kompleks lah persamaan dia. So let's say I give you an example lah. dy dx equal to 2 over cert 4 minus 3x plus cert 6 minus 2x. Okay guys, you try to see this. Do you think you will do second derivative from this kind of equation? Adakah kamu akan buat pembezaan peringkat kedua for this kind of equation? Okay, no way. Maybe this one still okay. I change and put an x here. If I put an x on top, definitely no already. Okay, so that is when you use your tangent sketching method, kaedah lakaran tangent. Okay, the question won't be so mean and tell you kena buat juga d2y dx2 for this question, let's say. Okay, they won't ask like that. But kaedah lakaran tangent, dia boleh tanya, guna kaedah tu. You must use the tangent sketching. But for d2y dx2, they won't ask you to use this kind of method. Okay, it's not wajib. Alright, so can you guys get it until now? So yeah, this is the another type of question. Okay, very good lah you all. Okay, next one. Okay, this one more challenging a bit. The question getting harder. So this one. Okay, let's say you got a plank like this. Okay, without reading the question lah guys, tanpa baca soalan, what can you think of here when you see this kind of question? Apa kamu boleh fikir? You see a triangle, kamu nampak segitiga. So what is the first thing come to your mind? What can we use here to form an equation untuk bentuk persamaan? Besides area, the rest, yang lain pun juga cuba jawab. You must notice guys, this is a right angle triangle, segitiga sudut tegak. So segitiga sudut tegak, we can relate to what always? What is the concept for segitiga sudut tegak? No, very good, Pythagoras theorem. Okay guys, always remember you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So kamu akan dapat satu persamaan dah. You already get one equation, just like that. Okay, so it will help you later on. You will see why. Okay, so now we see the question. So this one, okay, so we go direct here. The top part is nothing. So the question is, cari kadar perubahan. Find the rate of change of NA if NB slides away. Okay, so this one is, let's say it come like this. They say NB slides away. So means that the triangle goes some more that side. Can you all imagine? Means the NB is not stationary. It moved to that side. So this is what's happening right now. Okay, and then they tell you the rate is, wait, sorry. I think I clicked something. Okay. So where is it? Okay. They tell you the rate is 3 meter per second. So now the 3 meter per second, what is the symbol I can give? Apa simbol dia? Okay, you got your X and Y. So you can use it. They say dari kaki dinding, from the foot of the wall. So the foot of the wall is which one now? It should be X or Y. What do you all think? Foot means at the bottom. Okay, kat bawah. Yes, means that is the X. So this symbol will be what? For this 3 meter per second. You should get dx dt. Yes, very good. Okay, dx over dt equal to 3. First information. Okay, the question is cari dy dt because they ask the rate of change of NA. So NA is y meter. So that's why you have dy dt. Okay, so now guys, what are you lacking here? What symbol? Kamu ada dy dt, dx dt. So what is the one more? You should have, yes, dy dx. So dy dx how, guys? Remember the equation just now I showed you? You can find the dy dx from the Pythagoras theorem. So this is the importance of it. Okay, so you just need to rearrange the equation. You will get something like this. Then you do dy dx. Pembezaan peringkat pertama. Alright, so and then your x value you substitute with 8 meter. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so the answer is something like this. Alright, so the differentiation, make sure you differentiate inside the bracket also. Don't forget, jangan lupa bezakan kurungan tu. Alright, then you just apply chain rule, guna petua rantai, then you will get the answer already. Okay, -4. Okay, make sure put unit also. Alright, so this question, any problem, guys? The rest of you that's so silent over here, adakah masih hidup? Are you all still alive? Beside the one that continue to comment. Cuba komen sikit lah. Jangan terlalu senyap. Okay. So next one. Okay, part B. Guys, is the question hard that make you don't want to comment? I rasa tak sangat susah kan? It's not that difficult, right? Okay. So you just have to follow slowly only. Okay. Of course, I never explain all the step I showed there in very detail because that one I expect you to know already. Hard Ayo. Which part hard for you? Can you tell me in this question? Maybe my explanation not so detailed enough. I think that's the problem. Bagian mana kamu susah? If the rest of you also think like hard a bit, you must tell. Okay? Jangan senyap kat situ. Okay, never mind. Selepas kamu fikir, saya cuba bincangkan B dulu. I feel like moving the exam. Yes, correct. Okay, guys. This one is for what Divya Sri said, right? Mungkin kamu tak terfikir yang tu. I think most of the people wouldn't have think like this. Okay. So usually, right, before you read the question, sebelum baca soalan, like what I asked you all, try to look at the diagram directly. Kamu fokus mata pada wajah dulu. Jangan baca apa-apa soalan. Think what information you can get first from the diagram itself, dari wajah. Because the diagram, right, can provide a lot of information, especially in AdMaths. Okay? So why they put the symbol here? Because it's showing you is 90 degree. You must be aware of the details, guys. Kamu kena lihat benda-benda kecil dalam wajah. So you see 90 degree, always straight, Pythagoras theorem. No matter what topic, tak kira apa-apa bab, always there will be something to do with Pythagoras theorem 1. Okay, kamu akan jumpa nanti. If I do it myself, I don't think I get it low. You have to try more exercise. No other way. Kamu kena buat lebih banyak latihan. I know a lot of your guys' problem is when I teach, you all understand. Am I right? But then when you do the question on your own, that's the hard part for AdMaths. Am I right, guys? I think everyone also same problem lah. Tak kira siapa aja pun still will have the problem. Okay, it's not of what I teach. Is kamu kena experience benda tu. You must have more experience. So everyone at the start, right? Kat mula-mula dia akan rasa susah. Everyone. But once you do more exercise, kamu dapat momentum, you will know how to do it already. Trust me, exercise will help a lot in AdMaths. Maybe first time you see, you don't understand. You do second time, faham a bit, still like 80% don't understand. Do the third time, buat kali ketiga, you will get 50-50. 50 faham, 50 tak faham. Do one more time, fourth time, I guarantee you will understand already. Okay, so that's the method to learn AdMaths. You must repeat. Okay, even if the same topic or the same type of question, kamu kena ulang. Then only it will stick in your mind here. Okay, so yeah. Okay, we go to part B. So they ask you rate of change of NB. Kadar perubahan for B. So this question, what is the symbol for part B? I think this one also is dy, sorry, not dy pula, dx dt, correct. Okay, you have to find your dx dt. And then they tell you NA slides. Okay, so you got your dy dt lah. Okay, dy dt equal to 2 because y dia hubungkan titik A. So that's why dy dt. Y equal to 6. Okay, so guys, do you realize here, do you have your x value or not? Adakah kamu ada nilai x? Yes or no? Okay, so always remember guys, when you do dy dx, right, you will not have any y term. Am I right? Kamu akan selalu dapat jawapan dalam sebutan x. Correct? Because kita bezakan terhadap x. We differentiate with respect to x. So of course you will have x over here. So you must find that x value. Kamu kena cari nilai x. So how to find? Y equal to 6. So means that Pythagoras, x should equal to 8. So that is how you get your x value. X sama dengan 8. Then kamu gantikan x sama dengan 8 in your dy dx. Okay, so can you see here how they do over here? You get your x value first, substitute in dy dx, chain rule, petua rantai. 3 step. Okay, can you guys get it? Part B. Okay, so this is your answer. Guys, one more thing you realize or not? This chapter, right, I drag very long. Am I right? Do you realize like so long already chapter 2? You know why? Because this chapter very important. Bab ni sangat penting. That's why can you see I discuss so many questions on this chapter. Every single exercise on the textbook, at least one question discussed. That's why I believe, right, no point to teach fast. Saya tak percaya ajar laju tu bagus because understand is important. Faham tu penting. That's why you see so many questions we go to one by one because kamu terdedah kepada lebih banyak soalan. So you become better. Okay? So yeah, it may seem slow, but slow and steady win the race. Am I right, guys? Okay, slow and steady. As long you guys follow, can make it one. Okay? So now, okay, I think this question is the hardest lah of every single question, but the working is very short, sangat pendek. So if you see this question, you got a helicopter flying, okay, 135 meter dari tanah. So they show you over here. And then, okay, question is this one. Cari kadar perubahan jarak antara helikopter lah dengan lelaki itu. Okay, so that is the question. So means that you can use your own symbol actually. Kamu boleh guna simbol sendiri. So let's say I give this symbol X and Z. You can put anything you like. A, B, or XY, anything. Okay, so now guys, see the similarity, yeah? You see a triangle. What is the first thing you come to your mind? Kamu nampak segitiga dah. So what is the first equation always? Related to? Very good. Pythagoras. Because you see this 90 degree, 90 darjah. This is how you identify, guys. So you get your first equation already. Okay. So now, of course, you're going to apply chain rule because they give you this information over here. 17 meter per second. Sorry, not that one. This one. They ask you to find the rate of change of distance. Okay. So rate of change of distance, guys. What quantity are we referring to here for rate of change of distance of helicopter from the boy? Is it X or Z? Which one? Okay, some more interesting. Okay, so the actually, let me see. Oh, okay. Yes, correct. The answer is Z. Okay, jawapan is Z. Because we measure the distance this way. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Your x will be dx dt. Dx dt equal to 17. That's how you get the speed. Am I right? Your rate of change of distance will be the speed of the helicopter. So then you must find your dz dt. Okay. So then one more equation is what, guys? You must find your dz dx because you got your Pythagoras theorem. Am I right? Kamu ada persamaan dari theorem Pythagoras. So you can solve already. Okay, so theorem Pythagoras like this. Differentiate, you bezakan. Okay, make sure again differentiate the content. Jangan lupa yang ni. And then you apply chain rule. Okay, pertua rantai. So you will get something like this. So your x is 72. Okay, nilai x adalah 72 because they tell you over here horizontal distance, jarak mengufuk kita sekarang adalah 72. Okay, so you just substitute, then you will get the answer, -8 meter per second. Understand, guys? Oh, okay. So someone has to replace me answer all the question. What time? The rest here. You all can answer, right? Oh, okay. So still got 5 minutes. Okay. So next one. Until now, guys, everyone here, semua kat sini, are you all clear? Cuba respond. Everyone. So silent only. Satu person only respond. Can Okay, good. Next one. Okay, so this one is the real part of the revision. Okay, part benar-benar revision. Little bit clear. Little bit it's okay. Guys, sometimes, right, when I teach one lesson like this, right, you might not understand so well because it's only one lesson. Am I right? So you have to go through the previous lesson also on differentiation. You cannot just like attend one lesson and expect to understand differentiation the whole chapter. Am I right, guys? No teacher can teach like that. One lesson, satu bab boleh faham dah. Am I right? No single teacher can do like that. So you have to watch part by part. Then only it forms one whole story, satu cerita. Then you understand the whole chapter. Okay, it must go in a flow. You must be organized. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so first question, they ask you to find the x that satisfy this equation. Okay, you see this equation, very complex. Am I right? Sangat complex. So guys, what do you do? First step, when you see this, very good. Differentiate the y. Okay, so over here, will you direct differentiate or use product rule? Adakah kamu akan guna petua darab atau bezakan secara terus? Which one? Okay, correct. Actually, you can expand first. Okay, expand and then you direct differentiate. So actually, you no need to use product rule. Tak perlu guna petua hasil darab. So when you differentiate, you will get this one. So this value, you can substitute inside here. Am I right? This expression. So then you see another one. Means that we differentiate second time. Kita bezakan kali kedua. So you will get -2. So -2 you substitute inside here. So then y you have to substitute with this equation. When you form the equation, right, you must have all x or all y. Cannot have mixed variable. Tak boleh campur-campur. Okay, so the solution is something like this. Okay, you substitute all the values inside. So you see you will get a quadratic, sorry, not quadratic, linear equation. So then you can solve it. Find your x value. Cari nilai x. Okay, only x value. No need to find y. Okay, so can you get it? I know a lot of people will think this kind of question is a bit complex, but actually not complex one. You have to analyze term by term. Because you see as a whole. Am I right? You look at the whole question, then very confusing. Better is you break down part by part. Kamu pisahkan satu per satu. Does it look better now, guys? You see term by term, then you solve term by term. you will get the answer. No need to look it as satu persamaan. So that is an easier way also. Okay. So yeah, this kind of question they like to ask also in differentiation. Okay. So next one. Today a lot of question So jangan kamu rasa terlalu letih lah. Okay, and maths memang must drill question, especially revision class. Revision class, I'll always give a lot of question one, especially for maths. Okay, so now they ask you to find cari coordinate titik on this curve pada lengkung ni. They tell you the gradient of normal is this one. Okay, so kamu ada kecerunan normal equal to 1/8. So can I ask you all, what is your gradient of tangent? Apa kecerunan tangent? Yes, -8. Correct. So means that you can differentiate this equation. Kamu boleh bezakan yang ni. So you will get 2, 4x minus 5. Differentiate the bracket 4. So you will get total is 8, 4x minus 5. So now, nilai ni akan sama dengan nilai ni. Because both of it show the gradient of the tangent. Okay, kedua-dua menggambarkan kecerunan tangent. Then you can find your x value already. Okay, but take note, coordinate, do I only find x value? Yes, you must find your y value also. Selalu ingat coordinate kena bagi dalam pasangan, like boyfriend and girlfriend. Am I right? Coordinate, are you going to separate boyfriend and girlfriend in a relationship? I don't think so. You should be together. Okay, boyfriend, girlfriend, like x and y in your maths. Okay, so this is the solution. You will get like this. Okay, so x is 1, y is also 1. Okay, I think this one quite easy lah. You can understand. I trained the easy question also with you all. Not everything very hard. Okay. Okay. Next one. Semangat Don't sleepy. So now gradient function, fungsi kecerunan. What is the expression I can write when you see gradient function? Very good. dy dx. Always remember, guys, gradient function mean dy dx equal to this. Okay. Wait. Okay, not equal. This one is the curve, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, ini adalah lengkung dia. Wait, let me check and see. Is it the curve or the... Wait for a while. Okay, I think... Wait, let me check for a while. Okay, it is the gradient of the curve. Yeah, the language confusing. Bahasa tu. Okay, it's equal. Okay, it's actually equal. So dy dx equal to kx square minus 7x. Okay, the question not so good over here. All right. So now they say at the point. So guys, you have this point. Kamu ada titik dia. So what can you do? You can substitute x equal to 1 dalam persamaan ni. Okay. And then they say parallel, selari. So guys, what is the gradient for this line? Can you all tell me? Very good. Parallel means same gradient. So your gradient you should get -2 lah. Okay, after kamu susun semula yang ni. So means that dy dx sama dengan -2. Okay, so you will get jawapan macam ni. So that's how I can get like this. Because dy dx sama dengan -2. Okay, dy dx adalah yang ni. Lepas tu, kamu ada coordinate yang ni diberi, so kamu gantikan x equal to 1. So then you will get k equal to 5. Alright guys, can understand this question? You can see all these questions are different type. Okay, bentuk-bentuk berlainan. So it help you to expose to different type of question also. Okay, so next one. Okay, anyone here feel tired? Siapa rasa letih? Can anyone tell in the comment box? Who feel like tired? Never mind, be honest with me. Kamu boleh jujur. Jangan risau. Saya takkan kata apa-apa. If you tired, you say tired to me. Kena jujur. All day ah. Ayo, so sad. But never mind guys. Tired is a good sign. Dia adalah petanda bagus. Okay, see you. You take care. The rest of y'all make sure you answer my question because the active member is leaving. Okay, yeah, see you next week. Okay. So now for those that tired, you say tired, right? It's a good sign because kamu sebenarnya buat banyak kerja. Am I right? You tired because you do a lot of work. Okay, so it's actually a good thing because kamu serious tentang pelajaran kamu. Okay, make sure you take that tired as a motivation for you. Bagi dia sebagai semangat kamu sebab letih, so that you fight harder. But of course, don't forget to take a rest. Kena ambil rehat juga. Okay, because at the end we are all human. Am I right? Kita semua manusia, bukan robot. Robot can work 24/7 also, okay, but human cannot. Okay, we have capacity. Okay, so yeah. But never mind, we continue. Okay, so now we got curve, lengkung yang ni. So next one, question said PR adalah normal kepada lengkung ni. So they ask you to find the value of K. Cari nilai K. Okay guys, so over here, apa mereka tak bagi kat kamu? What thing they never give you here? You have normal, you have curve. Satu lagi apa yang tinggal kat sini? What is the thing missing? Very good. Your tangent is missing. So guys, where do you think is your tangent? Tangent, kamu kena lukis. Okay, this is your tangent. Can you all see it? It is 90 degree to your normal. 90 darjah. Okay, this one is normal. This one is tangent. This one is curve. Lengkung. This is the relationship now. Okay. So now, kamu boleh bezakan yang ni. You can differentiate your curve equation to get your tangent equation. So kalau bezakan, you should get dy dx. Silap a bit. You should get x. Okay, half x squared plus 1. 2 times half, you will get 1. Okay, and then x, 2 minus 1, you get x. Okay, so now, kamu ada coordinate ni. So what is your x value guys? Over here. Apa nilai x? Anyone? Correct? X equal to 2. Wah, finally everyone wake up. Semua dah bangun dah. Okay, x equal to 2. Very good. Okay, now, what is your gradient of normal? Kecerunan normal. If your tangent gradient is 2. This one, m normal. Equal to berapa? Kalau tangent 2, yes, very good. M1, M2 equal to negative 1. So, kamu akan dapat negative setengah. Alright? So, then, they want you to find this value, nilai K. So, you must form apa guys? Kamu kena bentuk apa sekarang? Persamaan normal. Am I right? You must find the equation of normal. Then only you can find your pintasan X untuk garis normal, your X intercept. Okay? So what is the coordinate yang kamu akan guna untuk buat persamaan normal? Which one you will use to get your normal equation? Can you comment? Will you use P coordinate, R coordinate, or Q coordinate to find your normal? Mana satu? Come on, comment. Which coordinate? Kamu hanya perlu satu sahaja untuk bentuk persamaan normal. Only one coordinate. So kamu kena pilih which one. Very good. Why do we choose Q guys? Mengapa kita guna coordinate Q? Because we have all the information. Kita ada satu coordinate lengkap. We have the X value, we have the Y value. Yes. P, kita tak ada apa-apa. R adalah soalan kita. So that's why we choose Q. Alright? So this will be your equation. Okay, you will um oh, okay, over here, right, there is a simpler way, guys. If you notice, right, now we want to find the K value. Kita nak cari nilai K. Okay, untuk P, for the value of P, right? Saya lihat lagi sekali. 3 minus 0. Oh, okay, understand already. Okay, guys, you focus on this line. One concept I ask you. Kalau kamu bandingkan garis PR secara keseluruhan and also garis QR, will the gradient be the same, guys? Adakah kecerunan akan sama for QR and PR? Yes, because they all are on the same straight line. Semua di atas garis lurus sama. So means that the gradient value yang kita dapat tadi, negatif setengah, is going to be same. So means that saya boleh guna dua koordinat ni secara terus untuk cari nilai K. I just need these two coordinate, then use gradient formula, cari nilai K. Are you all clear? So it's like this, 3 minus 0 over 2 minus K. So kamu selesaikan. You will get K equal to 8. Understand? If you want to form equation, kalau kamu nak bentuk persamaan, lepas tu katakan Y sama dengan kosong, cari X pun boleh. That's the second method. But I feel this method is much more faster. Am I right? If you can think of this, then you use this method. Tapi kalau idea ni tak datang, tak apa. You follow the normal way. You form the equation, let Y equal 0, find your X. Okay? Both method also can, no problem. Okay, so your answer is K equals to 8. Are you clear, guys, for this question? Boleh dapat? Can, okay, next one. Soalan ke-18. Hari ini kita buat banyak soalan, a lot of question. So curve, you have a lengkung. Okay, so mereka kata parallel. Okay, guys, when you see parallel, what does it mean? Selari itu maksud apa? Keyword. Very good. Same gradient. Kecerunan yang sama. Okay, means your M value is the same. So you can see over here, apa kecerunan, guys, for this equation? What is your gradient? Very good. -1. So means that normal. Apa kecerunan normal, guys? Kalau kecerunan garis tu -1, normal pun akan -1 because parallel, selari. So nilai sama. Okay. So you have curve, kamu boleh differentiate. Differentiate untuk dapat tangent. Okay, you differentiate the curve, you will get tangent. So guys, I ask you all, kecerunan normal -1. What is your kecerunan tangent? Gradient tangent berapa? Kamu songsangkan -1. You inverse -1, you will get very good 1. So means that M tangent equal to 1. M tangent sama dengan apa, guys? dy dx. So kamu boleh bezakan persamaan ni. 2x plus 2x only. Betul. 2x plus 3 equal to 1. Can understand? So you will get x equal to -1. You already have a coordinate. Kamu boleh dapat coordinate. So x equal -1. Macam mana saya boleh dapat coordinate, guys? How can I get a coordinate from here? Saya gantikan. I substitute x equal -1 inside this equation. Cari nilai y. So you will get coordinate is -1, -2 after you sub. So question is, cari persamaan normal. Equation of normal. You have the gradient, you have a coordinate. Can you form the equation of normal, guys? Boleh tak kita bentuk persamaan normal? Jawapan dia, boleh. Okay, you can form. Remember, always to form equation, you must have gradient, you must have a point. Okay, two things only. So then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. So you can use y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1 ataupun y equals mx plus c also can. Both answer also can. So this is your final answer. Okay, guys, can you get it for this question? Respond please a bit. Can okay. So let's say lah, you cannot imagine this question because they never give you a diagram. You can always sketch a diagram beside. Kamu boleh lukis wajah. It don't need to be accurate. Tak perlu tepat. As long it show you a situation. So example, I show you lah. How should I draw a diagram? So let's say x squared plus 3x. Let's say I draw like this, a curve. Okay, and then they say parallel to straight line, y equal negative x plus 12. Okay, can you see how I draw the diagram? Then you have a point P. Point P maybe you mark here lah. Kamu tanda kat sini. Okay, so can you imagine guys? You can draw any way you like, as long it can help you imagine a bit what they talking about. Alright guys, so yeah, there is no marks for diagram Please take note, bila kamu lukis wajah, jangan harap kamu akan dapat markah. There is no additional mark for diagram. Only your working, hanya jalan kira. So if you can imagine in your mind, boleh bayangkan, just write out the answer. No point to draw the diagram because no mark. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so can I proceed? Can I go on? Masih boleh Continue fighting guys. Don't give up. Okay, the more you try, the better you'll become. Trust me. I'm here to help you. Okay, saya akan bantu kamu. The more you try, you will get better. Okay, no worries. So now, next one. Okay, so let's say you got volume, isi padu, this equation. Okay, persamaan ni. So then, mereka bagi info ni kat kamu. Okay guys, can you tell me what is the symbol for this equation? Bila kamu nampak macam ni, isi padu dengan massa, time and volume. No. You must see your unit guys. Kamu lihat unit, you will know your answer di cm cube per second. Very good. dV over dt. So this is your symbol. Equal to 15. Okay. So now, soalan dia, cari kadar perubahan tinggi, rate of change of height. So what is the symbol for this question? This is how you analyze guys. Cara kamu analisis soalan. Keluarkan semua simbol dulu. Very good. dH over dt. Kamu letak sama dengan tanda soal. Means that is your question. Kamu kena cari yang tu. Okay? Mereka bagi satu info. H equal to 3. So selepas semua settle, what do you think you must use here guys? Petua apa kamu kena guna kat sini? What rule? Kamu nampak dua yang ni berbeza. So kamu kena cari cara untuk hubungkan dua-dua ni. You must try to connect this. So how to connect? We use a chain. Chain we use is chain rule lah. Kita guna petua rantai. Okay? So can you all try to form and see? dH over dt sama dengan apa? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Apa dua pemboleh ubah kat sebelah kanan? Forming the chain rule is an important step. So you must know what is your chain rule. So anyone? Okay, I see a good answer. dH over dV times with dV over dt. Correct. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, can also. Terbalik also can. Alright. So yeah. So kamu ada dV dt. dV dt is 15. So now tugas kamu adalah untuk cari yang ni. dH dV. So how to get dH dV? Can you see the equation? Kamu boleh bezakan yang ni. So you get dV dH. Okay, so differentiate. I think should be no problem. You will get 3 over 5 H square plus 7. Betul? Then kamu gantikan, substitute H equal to 3. Then kali dengan 15. You will get your answer. Okay? But don't forget guys, ungkapan kamu kat sini adalah DH/dV. Tadi kamu dapat dV/dH. So kamu kena songsangkan nilai dia dulu. You must inverse. Maksudnya kuasa negatif 1. Kamu tekan dalam kalkulator. Selepas kamu kira DH/dV. Okay, you 1 over answer. Then you will get the correct answer. Okay, so this will be your working jalan kira kamu. Alright, so final answer 75 over 62. And also make sure kamu letak unit cm per second. Okay guys, are you clear for this question? Any question you have? Nana? Okay, very good. Okay, so this one is more on the application question already. Okay, they will give you soalan aplikasi harian macam ni. Okay, so let's say they got a wire. Okay, ada dawai. Dia bengkokkan dia to form a circle, satu bulatan. So guys, bila kamu ada satu bulatan, panjang dawai adalah 88. Your length of wire is 88. What is the quantity over here? Apa kuantiti yang sedang dibincangkan kat sini untuk bentuk satu bulatan macam ni? What do we call it? The term. Anyone know? What is that quantity to form a circle? Can anyone comment? Kamu belajar dalam bab bulatan, matematik menengah rendah. Very good. The answer is circumference. Correct. Okay, lilitan dalam BM. So guys, circumference, what is the formula? Apa rumus dia yang kamu belajar? Yang ni kamu semua kena recall lah, because NMATS takkan bagi rumus macam ni. They won't give you this formula. So anyone? Circumference, what is the formula? Ataupun dah lupa? No. Don't get confused. Itu untuk luas lah. Pi r square is for area. Now we talking circumference. Cara untuk kamu faham circumference atau lilitan adalah macam perimeter bulatan. Okay? Perimeter. Maksudnya kamu buat ukur keliling. Okay? Okay. The answer is 2 pi r. Siapa masih ingat yang ni? Okay, lower form maths 2 pi j. Itu adalah rumus untuk lilitan, circumference. Okay, so L is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, katakan saya bagi simbol L lah untuk panjang dawai. Next time confident with your answer lah. Okay, don't be shy to share answer. Sometimes your answer correct only. It's just you're not confident. Okay, so now, okay, this one. This value over here, this one, they say the length increases at this amount. So guys, what is the symbol for this? Can you all tell me? Panjang dawai itu bertambah dengan kadar yang tu. So what is the symbol? No. Cannot use H. Guys, see the initial symbol I give untuk panjang dawai. It will be dl dt. Am I right? Kamu tak boleh tiba-tiba guna H atau X bila kamu dah letak panjang dawai itu L. Okay, tak boleh ubah. Cannot simply change. If you put H equal to 2 pi r, okay, kamu boleh guna dH dt. If you put X equal to 2 pi r, yes, you can use dx dt. Boleh faham konsep dia tak? Dia bergantung kepada apa simbol kamu guna. Kamu guna A pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. Okay? So, yeah. So, now, question is, cari kadar perubahan jejari dl dt. So, dl dt sama dengan dl dl times dl dt. Okay? So, dl dl kamu boleh bezakan yang ni. Differentiate 2 pi. So dl adalah 1 bahagi 2 pi. 1 over 2 pi times with 0.3. Then you can get your answer. Ini adalah jawapan kamu untuk A. Alright? So this is the working untuk soalan A. Boleh faham guys? Soalan A? Can get it? Boleh ke tak? Dapat yang ni. Can ah? Okay, so next one. Question B. Mereka suruh cari jejari after 5 second. Wah, banyak H kat situ. Maksudnya memang boleh lah. Okay, so for B, they ask you the radius. Alright. This one a bit more difficult because dia tak direct sangat. It's not a direct question. So you must see carefully this one. So now, just now the equation is 2 pi r equal to 88. Correct? So r will equal to 44 over pi after you simplify. Okay? This is your first equation. Now they ask you to calculate the radius after 5 second. Selepas 5 saat. Ini adalah jejari asal kamu. You can give a symbol R ori. You letak original lah kat bawah. So jejari selepas 5 saat, macam mana nak cari? So R new, R yang baru sama dengan R ori tambah dengan delta R. Am I right guys? Kamu akan ada perubahan kecil dalam jejari kamu. Then you will get your new radius. Common sense, right? Original plus the change equal to new. This is the formula. Okay? So you must find your delta R. So delta R, macam mana dapat? If you notice, right, in part A, you already get an answer. Cuba analisis nilai ni, guys. You have to analyze this value. In other words, 1 saat, jejari dia akan bertambah sebanyak nilai ni. Do you understand guys? Because it's cm per second, per saat. Maksudnya 1 saat nilai dia yang ni. Sekarang soalan tanya 5 saat. Boleh tak kamu kira? Yes, you can. But one assumption. Satu anggapan adalah setiap saat jejari kena tambah nilai ni. It has to increase constantly. Kalau dia bertambah secara tak sekata, kita tak boleh kira. We cannot count. So we assume this one. Kita buat anggapan yang ni. Okay, so that's why we can do 0.00477 times 5. Okay, so then you will get your answer. So this is your delta R, in other words. So then you just substitute inside this equation. Okay, so basically you take 44 over pi plus with delta R, which is 0.0477 times 5. This is your final answer. Understand guys? Boleh dapat? This question is slightly new. We never see before. Am I right? So far today kita tak nampak soalan B yang ni. Okay? So you must know how to do also. Okay. So maybe we try one more question, then we end lah for today. Okay, last question. Okay, so this is the working just now for B. Okay, last question for you all to survive. Still surviving, right? Everyone. Masih hidup kan? Hopefully semua masih hidup. Tak ada siapa-siapa dah kena serangan jantung. Okay, hopefully no one get heart attack already. So far so good, bagus. Okay, means that your mental kuat lah. Kamu lihat guys, berapa soalan kita buat. Tadi kat awal 5. Am I right? 5 question. Just now kita mula soalan 14. Sekarang kita soalan 21. 7 question. Total 12 question guys. 12 soalan pembezaan you already done today. Banyak tak? Is it a lot? Yes, sangat banyak. Untuk 1 jam setengah minit saja. Okay? Bayangkan kalau kamu buat secara lebih lama. You can cover even more question by your own. Okay? So yeah. Okay. So this question a bit special. Okay, soalan ni special. So for question 21, right? Okay. So diameter you got 0.8, height is 0.6. Okay. So first information, can you all tell me the symbol, guys? Apa simbol untuk yang ni? Always you must practice yourself to write out your symbol. Then you can understand better. So meter cube per saat, what is your symbol? Very good. dV over dt. Okay, so this is your first information. Second information, rate of change of height. Kadar perubahan tinggi. What is your symbol? Very good. dH over dt. Pandailah kamu semua. Very smart. Okay, so now they say H equal to 0.5. Alright, so what rule are we going to use here, guys? Again is chain rule, petua rantai. Because you see dV dt, dH dt, you have to find dV dH. Okay, you must find out what is your dV dH. Alright, so for a cone, guys, what is your formula for volume of cone? Apa rumus isi padu cone? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Yang ni kena hafal lah. Must memorize. No other way. So anyone? Volume of cone? Very good. 1 over 3 pi r square h. Correct. Okay, so volume of cone is this formula. Okay, guys. Now is the interesting part. You got two variable on the right hand side. Kamu ada dua pemboleh ubah. So now, guys, I ask you, do we do dV/dr or do we do dV/dH? Mana satu kita kena buat sekarang? Who can answer me? If you read the question carefully, you have dV/dt and dH/dt. Yes, so you must do dV/dH because R tak ada apa-apa kaitan langsung dengan soalan kita. There is nothing related. So that's why this one is wrong. So now, guys, how do I get rid of this R? That is the question now. Macam mana saya boleh hapuskan R ni? Who can tell me the answer? This one is need a bit of concept. Okay, so then what do? You cannot just gantikan R sama dengan 0.4 tau, guys. Tak boleh ya. Cannot. That's not the step. You cannot just simply sub value and then dV/dH. Okay, you must find an expression. Kamu kena cari satu ungkapan R dalam sebutan H. R in term of H from this diagram dari Raja ni. So this one is a challenge lah, a bit. So anyone, can you think of an expression? Cuba fikir. Try to think and see. Okay, guys, I give you a hint. What is this quantity? This is the radius. Am I right? Jajari. 0, 4, I don't understand. Oh yeah, 0.4 is R, okay, correct? Yes. Then you got your 0.6 is height. Okay, now, so what do? You got 0.4, 0.6. So how do I relate them? You have to form an equation, guys. You must remember. Kamu kena bentuk. Yes, you must do ratio. Correct. R over H equal to 0.4 divided by 0.6. Boleh faham tak, guys? Can you understand this? Common sense, right? You got your radius, height, so you take the ratio 0.4 divide 0.6. So now you can express R in term of H, R dalam sebutan H. Kamu akan dapat yang ni from this equation. Okay, so why don't we express H in terms of R? Can anyone tell me why cannot? This one. Mengapa yang ni tak boleh? Why we don't do this? Why do we do this one? Can anyone tell? the reason behind it? What is the exact reason? Very good. We are actually trying to hapuskan R. We want to eliminate the R, guys. So means that you must have an equation R in term of H. Kamu tak boleh ada dalam sebutan R. If you have in term of R, how do you eliminate the R? Cannot. So that's why this one is wrong. So that's why we choose this one. Okay. So then you just substitute R equals to 2/3. Okay, sorry. R equal to 2/3H inside this formula. Baru kamu bezakan. Then you differentiate. Can understand, guys? So the solution is over here. So kamu bezakan. You get dVdH. Okay, this value. Alright? So far, are you clear, guys? Sampai sini, boleh faham? We never solved the question yet. Question is cari dH dt. Okay, so now we can use the chain rule. Petua rantai. Okay, this one is the same thing. Okay, so we use chain rule, petua rantai, as just now I show you all this one. So H value, you substitute with 0.5. Okay, because question give you H equal to 0.5. All right, so then you will get final answer dH dt equal to 0.0572. Alright guys, boleh faham soalan ni? Can you understand? Can you get it? Boleh dapat tak guys? This question. Can Okay guys, I ask you one question. Can we do this question or not? Last one, sebelum saya tamat. Because this one come under the same practice. Yes, I will share this PDF in the group later. Okay, with the solution also, one shot. Okay, so this is the last one officially for this compilation. Okay, question 25. Okay, so this one, they ask you to find dy dx in term of x. Okay, so what are we going to do here, guys? We will use chain rule. Am I right? Petua rantai. Dy dx equal to dy dt times dt dx. Okay, so this is the formula. So now you need to change this equation a bit. T will equal to let me see, 1/5x, correct? After you rearrange the whole equation, so you will get dt dx sama dengan 1/5. Am I right, guys? dt over dx equal to 1/5 because you differentiate this. Okay, so you can substitute inside here dy dt, differentiate this equation, bezakan yang ni. Okay, you will get 3 plus 10t. Okay, but you must take note, question asked in term of x, your answer. So if you see over here, your answer now is in terms of t, dalam sebutan t. So you cannot leave your answer like this. So you check over here, your t, right? They already give you an expression here. You get t equal to 1/5x. Betul? So you can actually substitute this t over here with 1/5x. Can you get it, guys? Hey, sorry, you cannot use that. You must use this one, x plus 1/5. Okay, not 1/5x, x plus 1/5. Because 1/5 is your dt dx. We have to find t in term of x, t dalam sebutan x. So you substitute this value inside the t over here. Can understand, guys? So you will get now dy dx. You simplify only this one. Permudahkan until you get your answer. Okay, guys? Any question for part A that you want to ask? Clear or not? Do you get the concept? It's basically just involve chain rule and substitution, penggantian. Okay? Okay, so last one for today. Okay, this symbol we will use delta X equal to 0.01 because dia bertambah. Okay, so this is the small changes, perubahan kecil. Question is, cari delta T. Okay, so guys, what is the equation we use here? Apa persamaan kita? Anyone remember? For small changes, perubahan kecil. Kamu ada satu persamaan. Anyone remember what equation is it? Delta X over delta T equal to dx over dt. Am I right, guys? Do you all still remember this? This is your formula. Okay, very good. So you can find your delta T. So delta T will be dt dx times with delta X. Am I right? So this is your formula. You have delta X, dt dx. Mana nilai dia? Tadi yang kamu dapat. dt dx equal to 1 over 5 from here, from this equation. Kamu bezakan yang ni. Okay? Because t is equal to x over 5 plus 1 over 5. So dt dx equal to 1 over 5 lah. Okay, so that's why dt dx, you substitute with 1 over 5. And then delta x is your 0.01. Okay, so then you will get final answer 0.002. Delta t equal to 0. Yes, correct. Okay, guys, can you understand this question? And can you understand the whole lesson today that I teach to you? This one is not lesson lah, it's revision. So do you get it? All the concept, every single question? Do you find it useful? Does it help you a bit? Hopefully it helped lah a bit. Maybe not yet the proper type of K-bar question, but all these questions, right, is the basic that will support your K-bar question actually. A lot of basic over here plus K-bar question. Good, good. Make sure you continue the improvement. That's all. Okay. So, any question you have so far? You can ask any question now if you have. Nana, wow, very good today. Okay, so next week we will continue with part 2. Okay, bahagian kedua revision for chapter 2. Then we will officially complete chapter 2 already, hopefully by next week. Okay, so next week we will enter integration, pengamilan. Okay, another important topic. Okay, so yeah, so thank you. If you got any question, you can stay lah. All right, you're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Welcome. The rest that stay here, any question? We already finished. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. See you guys. Your WhatsApp group. Oh, you're not in the group, is it? Is it you're not in the group? Oh, okay. PM my number over here. I will add you inside. All right. Make sure you copy down the number so that you can send. Okay. So thank you. I end the call lah for everyone.